Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're showing you how to get a flawless hairstyle in just 3 simple steps. Quick, easy, and totally gorgeous. Step, prep, and protect. Start with clean, conditioned hair to keep it soft and shiny. Gently detangle. Then apply a heat protectant. It keeps your strands safe and smooth when styling. Healthy prep always gives the best results. Step, style, and shape. Now for the fun part. Blow dry, curl, braid, or straighten, whatever matches your vibe. Work in small sections for that sleek, polished look that lasts all day. Step, finish, and shine. Tame flyaways with a few drops of serum or oil. Add a touch of shine spray for that glossy glow. And lock everything in with a soft hold hairspray. And that's it to 3 easy steps to gorgeous hair made simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips and hair tutorials every week.
She was loving it, so I was super happy about that. And this is the final look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you're going to prom, make sure to recreate this look. Super easy.